Hey! Even know it. But we're going to see our new fenced-in area. Daniel, look at me. Scrappy! Scrappy! Scrappy, can you bark? Tell him, Scrappy. Scrappy, Scrappy, Scrappy. Rusty, hey Rusty. What you doing? Hey Henrietta. Where's Stanley? Fix your ear. What you doing? What you doing, Stanley? What you doing? Oh. Oh, the stick.
Where's the stick?
Okay, here, Rusty wants me to throw it. Okay, Rusty. Here we go. Woo! Good boy, Rusty. Good boy. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay. Okay, ready? Get set, go. Uh-oh. I thought I hit Stanley.
I did put no treats up close.
Worth it, every penny.
Yeah.
Oh, see?
Did you roll over each other? Oh, now Stanley's got it.
Yeah, see, Stanley won't give it to me. Come here, Stanley won't give it to me. No. Okay.
It is?
Hey, Rusty.
Well, yeah, that's fine. Well, it's just the air.
Here, Stan. Stop.
Well, yeah, it would.
Yeah.
We're in the woods.
Yeah. There's, the only cars go up and down that road are just people.
Okay, here we go. Oh, let me get it, Stanley.
Okay, you got it.
No, get it. Get it, Daniel. Get the stick. Get the stick, Daniel. Wait, Mom, you said I'm going to help with it. Let me just get... Okay. Stanley won't give it to me. Oh, Rusty's going to get it. Rusty! Come on, Rusty. Come on, Rusty. It's okay. Stanley's... No, you see, Rusty and Stanley were fighting over the stick, and then Scrappy jumped on Rusty's back. Go get it! Oh, shoot. They lost it. Okay. Here comes another one. Guys, ready? Go! No, I got another one. Come here, Rusty. Give it to me. Right here, Rusty. Right in my hand. Right in my hand. Okay. No, no. Ouch! He looked sorry. Give me. Ready? Go! Yeah. Scrappy says, I don't think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Rusty!
Rusty.
Hey!
Okay. Hey. Rusty, no. 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 No, Rusty. No, Rusty. No. No. Can I get him by the back of the collar or will he bite me? Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, we're not playing this anymore. Okay, come on. Okay. Daniel, leave.
They listen to him. wasn't you that bit him.
Yeah. Wasn't me either.
He's mad. He says I'm mad, damn it. Oh, hello, pain. Hello, pain. Gotta stop. Stop licking a little bit. Bless his heart. Little farm dog.
Now he knows how the chickens feel.
Yeah.
There's a bug that
Scrappy?
long crawling on your car, your chair. Oh, you got him. He's on the floor now.
Mm-hmm. He wasn't that long though. But that's okay.
Pretty long.
That's where he lost the hair too. They always come to Mama though, don't they?
Yeah. Scrappy, you know how
Gets
the
hurt, he
chickens
comes
feel
to
now?
Mama.
My little chickens?
She's feeding them too. Well, he lost a good amount of hair. You and your perfect hairdo.